Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off move reminders on the RealMe Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe from left to right on the watch's home screen to open the quick panel. Tap on the settings cog and then tap Fit Notifications. Tap Sedentary to turn off the toggle. When the toggle is black, it is turned off. Move reminders are now switched off on your watch. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more RealMe Watch tips and tricks.